Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to clean your makeup brushes. I actually have the Lilumia brush cleaner. Got it last year, well actually like almost 2 years ago for Christmas. I have the color gold and I'll show you how I clean my brushes. So if you'd like to see how I do that, just stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is the wire that came with the cleanser. I'm gonna plug this in. Let's see. Plug it in back here. Let me just plug this up here. Okay. So then you have to twist the top off like this. Alright, and because I have sensitive skin, I use the Eco Tools makeup brush shampoo, and it's a deep cleanse for your makeup brushes. It's dermatologist tested and it's hypoallergenic. It's free of parabens as well. And this is how it looks. And before I clean my brushes, let me show you how it guys look. So this will be the before. So these are my before I clean them, the brushes. So I like to wet my brushes before I clean them. And then I'm going to take this measuring cup and I'm going to add some warm water into it. Here it says fill to the max line. Now it's ready. And to take the top off, and it, I'm gonna show you how much dirt came out of it. So you can like this. This is only from one wash. Alright guys, so this is after the first wash in the machine. It looks way cleaner. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you how I clean my brushes other ways. So after you take your brushes out the machine, you just want to lay them out on a towel like this and just let them air dry. Do the techniques that I use. So for my sensitive skin, I sometimes use honey almond, and this is actually a shower cream. So I'm just going to pour it all over the brush tips first, like that. Just with a pad and just roll it in circles. Guys, so another method of cleaning your brush for sensitive skin would be the comb method with the aloe vera gel. And yes, sometimes I use this as a primer. So what you'll do is take some of this aloe vera gel and pump in your hand like that, and then you just dip the brushes in it. And you're just gonna comb through it like this. Alright guys, so after viewing the techniques today, I hope they were really helpful. I'll show you some pictures of my after brushes. See? They're still really soft. So the Lilumia brush cleaner, it takes about 15 minutes to actually clean your brushes. It does a great job. The only thing that it doesn't do is actually dry your brushes for you. So generally what I do is after I clean them using a machine, I'll take them out, squeeze them out, and then I'll lay them on a flat towel and just let them air dry. Sometimes I'll use a rubber band and hang them upside down. That way they can just have all the water drip down, and then within like an hour or so they'll be ready for use. I do have sensitive skin, so I like to clean my products with organic things. Like the Eco Tools, it's paraben free, it's dermatologist tested. I also like the comb method for like larger brushes. I use the aloe vera gel or like a NAR skin oil and pour it on the brushes, and then I just comb through it nicely. And another thing too is using the palm of your hands. So overall, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you would like to see more techniques of how I do things, please like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.